morning, everyone. Today we are in Morgan Hill. I am at the TriPointe new construction community. They have a unique setup here. It's a mixed community with both detached homes as well as townhomes. So today we're going to walk through some of the models here. Beautiful, beautiful day, gorgeous weather. So let's head on in and take a look at what these configurations have to offer us. We would love to represent you in selling your home or helping you buy your next investment property or residence. And here we go. This is Residence 3. It is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 1941, so just under 2,000 square feet. With, of course, the 2-car garage. Let's head on in, take a look. So once again, opens up to a very, very spacious open living space. Nice dining area. And then tucked away here is your half bath setup. And this one actually has a little side porch where you can relax in the evening, entertain some guests outdoors. If you wanted, you can set up a nice barbecue grill. And then of course, once again, open concept kitchen with upgraded countertops. The flooring is upgraded as well. Very, very nice. And then that would be the door that leads to your garage. And they have kind of a seating kind of setup here with a drawer on the bottom. So again, additional storage, good use of space. And then the area underneath the stairs. Let's head on upstairs. Now this is a little bit unique of a setup. You have a big, roomy laundry room with extensive amounts of storage, and then you have a loft area, almost like a family room.
We were onto something and began to grow. Setting the stage for TriPointe Group, launched in 2015, creating one of the country's largest home builders. The big idea,
And then the full bath setup.
operational sophistication, and leadership of a national organization with regional insights, community ties, and agility.
Full tub.
Just the best. Today, everywhere we go, our local roots and reputation help us understand
Again, plenty of closet space, plenty of natural light. One thing, if you didn't notice as we walk through these rooms, most of them, the lights are not on. This is all natural lighting coming in, folks. Very, very good location.
healthier and more energy efficient than ever.
Very, very large windows, very open, airy feel. And when appropriate, they use mirrors to complement the space, which just makes it feel even more open.
Quality of work is amazing. Everybody I've talked to has said, wow, wow, and it is wow. Amazing.
And then we have a master bedroom over here. So this master setup currently with a king size bed. give you an idea of the spacing. Very nicely done. And then there's a walk-in closet here. So, of all the walk-in closets, this one of course has the most amount of space. It's built in length, quite the distance. And then you have a master bath setup right here with extensive amounts of storage. Look at those drawers. Mirrors, you have shelving right in the center. His and her sinks. And then your shower setup. Very, very large walk-in shower with a seating area, a ledge, and then of course your commode. So again, beautifully done. Tile on the floor, great color scheme, very spacious. And that is the last of the townhomes. We can head on over to the detached. Let's head on over to take a look at the detached property.